Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So today we've received a parcel from our friend Katherine in Florida. Katherine has been a community member for a long time on Wallflowers UK. And the good thing is, when we went on holiday to Florida in September last year, we managed to meet up with Katherine and spend a lot of quality time with her. And she spoiled us like crazy and wouldn't let us spoil her back. And since then, she's never stopped. So we do try and spoil her in return. But she spoiled us today and sent us a lovely care package.
She did send it before Christmas to arrive at Christmas. Our post office wasn't very good, was it? Postal service. You've already lost one of the parcels.
She sent us 2 parcels. One got delivered to the wrong address and unfortunately was left on basically a pathway where any passerby could pick it up, and unfortunately we think that's what's happened. We think someone's just picked her up and taken it. But luckily enough, this one's made its way to us. Well, you had to collect it, didn't you?
Yeah, I had to go to the post office this afternoon. We've phoned up many times asking where it was. They kept promising to deliver it. It was supposed to be a couple of Saturdays ago, then last Saturday. And every time we phone up, you've got to wait an hour in the queue. So we finally got through again today, and they said it'd been delivered to our local post office. So I had to go over there and pick it up.
We've been chasing it our end. Catherine's been chasing it her end. Unfortunately, now she's got to claim insurance for the first parcel that we didn't receive. Well, thankfully, we've got this one. So I've asked, and she said it's okay for me to open it on camera. So we'll start delving in. I think it's a care package. So we've got ibuprofen. She knows I suffer on and off with certain pains, my spine pain, etc., and chest pains. Wow, what's that one?
Clotrimazole cream.
Clotrimazole cream for treatment of athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm.
Very good, just what we needed.
But if we have athlete's foot, that'll come in handy. So that'll go in the first aid kit. Thank you.
I think it's just like an antiseptic cream.
Yeah. I don't want to drop that bag. I keep bringing the table a little bit closer to catch it out the camera. The next one is lidocaine pain relief patches. Oh, that'll be coming handy for my spine. Provides temporary relief, pain relief, flexible adhesive patch, single-use application, unscented. Brilliant. And that's that one. And all the facts and the information sheet. Oh, there's quite a few in it as well. There's 5 or 6 in there. That's fabulous. Thank you, love. Well, this is a care package, isn't it? It's lovely. It's like a lucky dip. Oh, this is a bag. And you know, I'm going to reuse that bag, Katherine. You know it'll get reused.
It's a plug. What?
Arthritis pain relief cream. Absolutely amazing. Thank you. Well, that'll come in useful for a number of things, won't it? To moisturiser as well. It's got MSM. And some things I can't pronounce. Oh, Vic Vapor Rub. It's not called Vic from the American version. We call it Vicks here. I think that's a brand name. So this is called Care All Chest Rub Medicated. We'd call this Vicks here. But it's not open, but you can still smell it.
It's the same.
Menthol, yeah. Lovely.
Thank you.
Oh, another bag. Oh, I think that's fallen out the bag. Bubble wrap.
Very good. All coming useful.
Everyone on the channel knows we love a bit of bubble wrap. Oh, what's that? Another Ziploc bag. Oh. Very nice.
Fig preserve.
Fancy that. That's fancy, isn't it? Bramleys as well as that. Oh no. Braswells. Lovely.
Yes.
Thank you. Jambalaya mix. She knows I make jambalaya.
You've done a video on it.
Yeah. It's got rice and are they mustard seeds? Oh, red lentils. Lovely, Catherine. Thank you so much.
We enjoyed that jambalaya last time.
Yeah. I've made that a few times. Walmart. Like, we don't get the American bags here, obviously, so we'll treasure that as well. We've got a Walmart bag. People in America will be laughing at us for treasuring a Walmart bag. Ours is called Asda. Asda. The Asda. Extra OTC strength anti-itch cream. See, you never know when these things are going to come in useful, though, do you?
Could have done with that when we were in America.
Yeah. Thank you, Catherine. This is really, really thoughtful of you because we were just talking about with doing the pantry at the moment, how we need to redo the first aid and medical kit, and all these things will be absolutely amazing. More ibuprofen as well. Thank you, Catherine. That is so thoughtful of you. Let's open this box.
I wonder it all got through customs.
I think we'll have to take those bands off first. I'm trying not to show all the addresses and the details of both of us on the other side. Careful.
That's the parcel.
The candle holder.
Yes.
That's beautiful, Catherine. Thank you so much. Yeah, and it matches all the decor, doesn't it?
And we can use that on the fire.
Yeah, burn that on the fire. And we've just come across a load of candles that we've been collecting, haven't we, in the storage. So, yes, that'll definitely get used. That's lovely, though.
Nice.
Some weight in that as well. Thank you so much. How pretty is that? That's lovely, Catherine. Thank you so much for everything here. That's absolutely wonderful. And as we say, we're not going to be bitter and twisted about the people who stole the other parcel. All we can say at this time is, with all the effort and the love Catherine put into making that parcel, I hope that they actually appreciated the gifts that were in it and got some enjoyment from it, you know. And I'm not carrying any bitterness. And I've asked Catherine, and she said she's not bitter about it. She hopes that they got the pleasure and the intent from it that she put into it when she set it all together. But this is amazing. So everything medical will go in the first aid kit. The yummy food things will be eaten and treasured in the small pantry's nearly organised now. I've got the last 2 shelves to sort out. and everything else will be used. This was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Catherine.
Well worth the wait.
Yeah, well, they did make us wait, not you. The postal office made us wait. Well, Catherine sent them early December.
Yeah.
And we're late January receiving it, so it is a long, long time, yeah.
They have been in the sorting office since the
Merry Christmas. Merry
January.
Christmas, Catherine. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Catherine.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope you appreciate the beautiful gifts that Catherine sent us and how much love and thought she's put into it. And hopefully we receive it in the same spirit. Thank you so much, Catherine. Please take care. Remember you're loved. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it.
Thank you. Bye.